In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Temu products on WhatsApp. If you recently found an interesting item, a great deal, or a product you think your friends and family might enjoy, this tutorial will guide you through the easiest way to share Temu product links directly through WhatsApp using your browser or computer. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Temu.com website. Once the home page loads, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. You can usually find the sign-in option in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your login information and continue to your account. After signing in successfully, start browsing the website and look for the product you want to share. Temu offers a huge variety of products, so take your time exploring different categories until you find the exact item you would like to send to someone through WhatsApp. Once you open the product page, look around the area near the product title or images. You should see a share icon somewhere on the page. This icon is designed to help users quickly share products with other people across different platforms and messaging apps. Move your cursor over the share icon or click on it to reveal the available sharing options. After the sharing menu appears, look for the option labeled Copy Link. Selecting this option will automatically copy the direct product URL to your clipboard so it can be pasted anywhere you want. Now that the product link has been copied, open WhatsApp on your computer or mobile device. You can use the desktop application, the web version, or the mobile app depending on your preference. Once WhatsApp is open, go to the conversation or group chat where you want to share the Temu product. Inside the chat window, place your cursor in the message box and paste the copied link. On a computer, you can usually paste by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac devices. Before sending the message, you can also type a short note, recommendation, or comment about the product if you want to make the message more personal. Once everything looks good, press the Send button, and the Temu product link will instantly be shared with your selected contact or group. This is a very quick and convenient way to recommend products, share deals, or show shopping finds with people you know directly through WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.